Hi, I'm Prakyat, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today, I'm going to explain about MLKit and show the integration steps. Huawei MLKit is a mobile SDK that provides diversified leading machine learning capabilities that are easy to use, helping you develop various AI apps throughout a wide range of industries. If you want to watch the MLKit previous videos, please click on the I button at the top right corner or see the link below. In this video, we will introduce the MLKit document skew correction service. This service can automatically identify the portion of document in a captured image and adjust the shooting angle facing the document if the document is tilted. It can also perform the document skew correction of custom boundary points. This service can be used to correct the document position to achieve better effects. We need to ensure that the document occupies most of the image and its boundaries needs to be included within viewfinder of the camera. In addition, the best correction effect is achieved when the shooting angle is within 30 degrees. And now let's get coding. Open and sign in to Huawei developer website. Go to Console, App Gallery Connect. Open My Apps. Click on New App, enter the relevant information. Select Add to Project and click OK to create a project. Go to My Projects, click on OK to move to the next screen. Select Manually enter the package name, enter the package name and save. Set the data storage location. Add the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application. Then download agconnectservices.json file. Add agconnectservices.json file under app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in app gallery. Open project level build.gradle file at the Maven repositories under build script and all projects section. Also add the class path. Open application level build.gradle file at the latest version of MLKit document skew correction libraries under the dependencies section. Open the Android manifest file. Add the required permission. Open the layout XML file of the application. Add an image view and buttons. Open the main activity of the application. Request for permissions. Set the on-click listeners. Pick an image from gallery. Set the image. Create a copy of bitmap. Get an ML frame object. Create ML document skew correction analyzer setting object. Get the ML document skew correction analyzer object. Create a task for ML document skew detect result. Call async document skew detect and pass the ML frame object. On success, get the skew coordinates. Create ML document skew correction coordinate input object. Draw the points on the image and set. Create a task for ML document skew correction result. Call the async document skew correct method and pass the ML frame and coordinate data objects. On success callback, get ML document skew correction result object, get the skew corrected bitmap and set. After getting the result, stop the analyzer. Now the coding is completed. Let's try it out. To do that, open newly installed app, tap on pick image button. It will take you to pick an image from the gallery. Once you select, the image will be set. Tap on analyze image button. It will analyze the image of the tilted document and show the vertices. Once you click correct image button, it will adjust the document angle and display it. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.